ay mapapanood nyo na ang pinakabagong reality show ng paborito nating young love team ngayon, ang hashtag Jaydeen over Viva Home of the Stars. Jaydeen, anong ganap?
Hi guys! Nandito tayo ngayon para sa first ever shooting ng hashtag Jaydeen na yan. Sobrang excited na kami ni James para dito.
Action!
Nagsimula na ang inaabang reality show ng pinaka-in-demand na love team ngayon at kung excited kayo, excited din syempre ang inyong mga idolo.
Meron kaming workshop, meron kaming acting workshop with Miss Bev Verhel. Tapos yun, that was the first time ever, pero we didn't talk at all.
It's showing, the real lives of me and Nadine, the kind of things we go through every day, taking you guys through our busy schedules and all the behind-the-scenes stuff. So it's cool, and I know you guys will like it. First project was Alam Niyo Ba, the single of my debut album, and she was my leading lady. So that's where Jaydeen started, I guess.
At nandoon ang anong ganap sa taping ng very first episode ng hashtag Jaydeen.
Mas makikilala nyo kami dito sa hashtag Jaydeen, so abangan nyo guys.
So guys, don't forget to watch hashtag Jaydeen, where you can catch me and Nadine behind the scenes, only on Viva, Home of the Stars.
Siguradong tututukan ng mga fans ang Jaydeen sa kanilang mga ganap inside and outside showbiz sa kanilang latest show. Kaya abangan ang hashtag Jaydeen sa Viva Home of the Stars